Hi friends, today's video is about types of MCBs. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. So there are mainly 5 types of MCBs: B, C, D, K, Z, and this classification is based on electromagnetic trip. I have made a separate video about detailed explanation of MCB. I will give its link in description box. If you are interested, you please check it once. For short circuit condition, the electromagnetic trip unit will be tripping the MCB. Our classification is based on this electromagnetic trip. As I said earlier, there are 5 types of MCBs: type B, type C, type D, type K, type Z. Now we will see each type MCB operating current and time and also the application. Here it is type B MCB. Its operating current is 3 to 5 times the nominal current and its operating time is 0.04 to 13 seconds. And its application is resistive load, household load and lighting load. Type C MCB. Its operating current is 5 to 10 times the nominal current. Operating time is 0.04 to 5 seconds. The applications is low rating motor and AC unit, washing machine, surge currents applications. Now let's see the type D MCB. The operating current is 10 to 20 times the nominal current. Operating time is 0.04 to 3 seconds. This is used for heavy motors, welding transformers, cables, transformers and solenoid valves, heavy solenoid valves. Type K MCB. Operating current is 10 to 15 times the nominal current. Operating time is less than 0.1 seconds and its application is highly inductive loads which are having very high inrush currents. The last one is type Z. Its operating current is 2 to 3 times the nominal current. Operating time is less than 0.1 seconds. It is used for highly sensitive loads like electronic circuits. Let's see the MCB with an example. Here I have written B10. If we would like to purchase a 10 amps MCB, which type we need to purchase, I'll tell now. B10 means B type 10 amps, C type 10 amps, D type 10 amps, K type 10 amps, Z type 10 amps. First of all, let us see the Z type MCB. Here, as I said earlier, the operating current is 2 to 3 times the nominal current. It is as nominal current is 10 amps, 20 to 30 amps. In between this current from 20 amps to the 30 amps, it will operate in 0.1 seconds. If any fault occurred in the circuit and if the fault current is more than 20 amps and less than 30 amps, this MCB will trip the circuit in 0.1 seconds. Let's see B10. Here, as I said earlier, the operating current is 3 to 5 times the nominal current. It is 30 to 50 amps. If there is any short circuit in the circuit and the fault current is in between 30 to 50 amps, it will operate in 0.04 to 13 seconds. The trip may be occurred in between these two times. It may be tripped at 11 seconds or 12 seconds but less than 13 seconds. Here, if the fault current is less than 30, that is less than 29 amps, this MCB will not trip. If it is 30 and above, only it will trip. In case of C type MCB, its operating current is 50 amps to 100 amperes and operating time is 0.04 seconds to 5 seconds. In case of any fault, if the fault current is more than 50 and less than 100 amps, it will operate. If the fault current is even 49 amps, it will not operate. This is used for small rating induction motors where the starting current is less than 50 amps. Also in our houses we will use this for AC and washing machine applications. Here D and K type MCBs both are having starting current as 100. This is up to 150 but this is up to 200 amps. These two are used for heavy loads. This is used for X-ray machines, welding transformers, valves, motors, etc. If the fault current is above 100 amps, it will operate. If the fault current is even 99 amps, it will not operate. The trip may occur from 0.04 seconds to 3 seconds. In this time period, at any point the trip can happen. For K-type MCB, if the fault current is more than 100 amps only, it will operate and it will trip in less than 0.1 seconds. This is about the classification of MCB, the rich types of MCB. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you.